Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Last time in my last video I have discussed about the sign conventions of concave mirror or the spherical mirror. Fine. So today we are going to do certain numericals. They are very important. All the numericals which I have taken, they all have already come in past or previous year question paper. And जब भी हम मिरर की बात करते हैं बेटा, तो whenever we talk about mirror, fine, those things which are in front or on the left hand side of the mirror, they are all negative, whereas those on the right side of the mirror, they are always positive. ठीक है, जैसे सपोज ये इस मिरर की बात करें, कॉन्केव मिरर की, तो दिस इज माई कॉन्केव मिरर. सो ऑब्जेक्ट भी यही होगा, सो यू इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव, इमेज भी इधर ही बनेगी, दैट मीन्स वी इज ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. फाइन. हाइट ऑफ द इमेज, इफ इट इज ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सेस, सीधा खड़ा है तो इट इज पॉजिटिव, और अगर उल्टा है तो क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव. दैट मीन्स हाइट ऑफ द इमेज इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज पॉजिटिव. व्हाई? बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द मिरर. ठीक. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20. So what is radius of curvature? If you take a concave mirror, fine. So this is your radius of curvature, मतलब center of curvature. After that you have focus. ठीक है. So what you have learned बेटा, that focus is always in the middle, in between the center of curvature or radius of curvature and your pole. तो focus क्या होगा? It is whatever the radius of curvature given, it is just a half. So focus is always radius का half. So 20/2 answer will be 10 centimeter. ठीक है. So what this indicates, if I tell you to draw this, तो कैसे draw करोगे? You will draw concave mirror, single line. If C whole is 20 centimeter, तो focus कहाँ बनाओगे? 10 centimeter पे. I hope it is clear. चलो, come to the next one. An object 3 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 9 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. देखो क्या कह रहा है, concave mirror के front में. फाइन. हम ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा फ्रंट में ही रखते हैं, तो क्या होगा, यू हमेशा क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. ठीक है. एंड इमेज भी हमारी इधर ही बनती है, तो इमेज भी क्या होगी, नेगेटिव होगी. फाइन. फाइंड द पोजिशन, नेचर एंड द इमेज विच इज फॉर्म्ड. सो उसका साइज बताना है. साइज मीन्स हाइट ऑफ द इमेज. ठीक. अब ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बच्चों कि जब भी आप हाइट निकालेंगे तो इमेज, चूंकि ये कैसा है, दिस इज अ कॉन्केव मिरर, तो इमेज उल्टी बनेगी, और अगर इमेज उल्टी बनेगी तो हाइट कैसी होगी, नेगेटिव में. फाइन. सो लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस 3 सेंटीमीटर हाई. फाइन. सो साइज ऑफ द इमेज कैसा होगा, so object का size 3 centimeter high, that means it is on the principal axis, so it is positive. Next, the distance of the object is 9 centimeter. Fine. Since it is on the left side, so it is negative. Again the focus भी left side में बनेगा, तो focus भी हमारा क्या होगा, focal length भी negative. What you need to find out, the position, the nature and the image, size of the image. क्योंकि image opposite है, तो जो भी आप निकालोगे it should be in negative. Fine. So you know the mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1/f is equals to 1/v plus 1/u. Okay, let's put the value. ठीक है. Now let's put the value. तो focal length is 1/-18. Why? Because it is again on the left side. Okay. 1/v, u is also minus. Why? Because it is on the left side. So first, what is v? What is v? V is the image. Image का distance. Fine. So let's bring the v this side, so this will be negative and this will come this side, so this will be positive. ठीक है. So or you can say 1/v is equals to like this. ठीक. Calculate this. When you calculate, so v will be 18 centimeter. So v will be 18 centimeter. अब हम मैग्निफिकेशन निकालते हैं. मैग्निफिकेशन मीन्स इमेज कितनी मैग्नीफाई हुई. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द पोजिशन ऑफ द इमेज, जो हमारा ये आया. What is V indicate? V indicate the position of the image. कितने डिस्टेंस पे इमेज बनी है, तो कितने डिस्टेंस पे बनी है बेटा, 18 सेंटीमीटर पे. ओके. अब इमेज कितनी मैग्नीफाई हुई है, क्या वो बड़ी हुई है या डिमिनिश्ड हुई है. तो फॉर मैग्निफिकेशन व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, मैग्निफिकेशन इज इक्वल्स टू हाइट ऑफ द इमेज अपॉन हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. फाइन. and height of the image is basically nothing but v, and height of the object is nothing but it is always according to the distance. Okay, fine. So if you equate these two equations, so according to the formula of the magnification, it is 18 is v and minus 9 is u. Why minus again I am putting here? Because it is on the left side. Okay, when you cross multiply, 3 will go this side. When you multiply and cut all these numbers, it will be height of the image will be minus 6, but since outside it is minus, so it will be height of the image is plus 6. Fine. So height of the image will be plus 6. Now you might be thinking कि अगर कॉन्केव मिरर है और मेरा ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर है, फाइन, और मेरी अगर इमेज यहाँ बन रही है, तो कैसे ये हाइट ऑफ द इमेज प्लस 6 आ रही है? दैट मीन्स इमेज यहाँ नहीं बन रही है. इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग ऑन द प्लस इंडिकेट्स दैट व्हाट इज प्लस? Plus height indicates that the image is on the principal axis itself. And in all the cases of the image formation, you might have learned कि concave mirror में there is only one case जिसमें image नीचे न बन के ऊपर बनती है. कब? When this object is very near to the pole or in between the focus and the pole. ठीक है, I'll show you how it is. Like this is if your focus and this is pole, and if your object is here, so and one will go this side and other will pass from the radius of curvature. Fine. And somewhere these two are meeting behind the mirror. So can you see that it is magnified also? And this is the last case number 6, when we learn about the image formation. So plus 6 indicates that my image is virtual and erect. Fine. Plus indicates that image is not real. Real होती तो नेगेटिव आता है, इसका मतलब नीचे को बनी है, बट प्लस इंडिकेट्स दैट ये इमेज ऊपर को बनी है. फाइन. और ऊपर को कॉन्केव मिरर में देयर इज ओनली वन केस. सो आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू. Now come to the next question. The object is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. It forms a real image 4 times larger than the object. Calculate the distance of the image. What is the distance? Distance of the image is called V. ठीक है? From the mirror. Okay. So let's see the distance of an object. That is u. Distance of what is distance of the object? It is vu. And since it is a concave mirror, तो सारी चीजें कहाँ होंगी? लेफ्ट साइड में. So again it is -12. ठीक. अब ये कह रहा है कि कितनी मैग्नीफाई हुई है? 4 times. That means we have got magnification. ठीक है. और मैग्नीफाई हुई है 4 times, so it will be real image. ठीक है. So and inverted, so it is -4. Next, you need to find out the distance of the image. ठीक. So what is the formula of magnification? The magnification formula is -v upon u. So it will be -4 minus v, and u is what? U is again -12 given. Fine. So if you cross multiply it, the image distance will be -48 centimeter. It will be image distance will be -48 centimeter. Okay, I hope it is clear. This shows that all the things are on the left side and image is magnified 4 times. Why? Because it is very far from the screen, which are very far from the mirror. -48. Okay, this shows that what this showed? This showed that the image is located at 48 centimeter in front of the mirror. I hope this question is clear to you.